FMCDealer.com is the official website for all things related to Ford Motor Company dealer business. As technical placement specialists, FMC Dealer is a powerful portal filled with tools that we can use on a regular basis. In this tutorial, we'll run through some of those tools and features found on FMCDealer.com. If you have the TFO SharePoint site link saved, you can access FMCDealer.com by visiting the link located on the right side of the scroll bar on the TFO SharePoint site homepage, located here. You can also get to FMC Dealer by visiting the @Ford Online website. I have @Ford Online saved as my homepage. It is @Ford.com. This is all things Ford employees. In order to get to FMC Dealer from here, you would go to the Ford A through Z index and click that link, and then use the search bar to type in FMC Dealer. Once you're at FMCDealer.com, you'll have to type in your CDS ID and your login credentials. Once FMC Dealer is populated, you'll notice 4 main bars at the top: a tab for sales, a tab for finance, a tab for parts and service, and a tab for field. Each one of these tabs contains categorized information for each separate business unit. In our case, we'll click to the Parts and Service tab. On the right side of the Parts and Service tab, and on most other tabs, you'll notice an application bar. This application bar can be changed to customize an appearance that you prefer. To do so, you simply click Change, select the applications that you would like to add or subtract, and proceed with the function. Then you would save changes. You'd then go back to FMCDealer.com by clicking the link on the logo at the top left side of the page. If we hover back to our Parts and Service tab at the top and click the link, we'll find a lot of other resources that are relevant to our business as technical placement specialists. Some of the most pertinent information that we will receive and that we need to be aware of is going to come through in the form of an EFC. An EFC stands for Electronic Field Communication. All EFCs are published on the FMC Dealer site under the Service tab here towards the bottom middle half of the page. In this case, something that is very relevant to our business, EFC 07756 for shop competency status for dispatch flexibility, an at-risk dealer notification. This notification is available. If we click the link, it will populate the electronic field communication, and we can then scroll down from there to learn more about this notification and the program that it speaks to. In this particular case, this is something that should interest us as technical placement specialists. It's important to keep in mind that the Parts and Service homepage on FMC Dealer only shows the most recent EFCs and notifications. To see a list of all EFCs and notifications, you can click on the View All button, or you can even subscribe to see all notifications inside of your email inbox by clicking the Subscribe button. You can also use the search function at the top right corner of the page to find any other electronic field communications or any information about any Ford programs. In this case, we'll type in FAST and then type in the word training. We're looking for information on the Ford FAST program, which stands for Ford Accepted Service Training. You see our search query ends up with a result for EFC 07533, OEM Military and ASE Technician Training Credit. If we click that link, it will populate the EFC. This particular EFC is very important to our business. We have many training conversations with dealers, and because of our relationships with schools, training programs, and the ACE program, we are often looked at as key stakeholders and key points of contact in the training process. We will now show you another search query result. In this particular case, we'll be looking for anything that's related to technician recognition. We know that we are often asked what other endeavors and efforts we are involved in for technician recognition. So in this case, let's simply type in technician recognition. The technician recognition search query provides us with a top result of EFC 07629. It also provides us with other results like dealership recognition programs, Ford enablers to improve shop capacity and technician recruiting, and the 2019 Technician Masters Program. If we scroll down, we'll see even more search query results. Let's click on the first result. This EFC has a published date of June 24th, 2019, and it is titled 2019 Technician Recognition Program Announcement. This EFC provides an overview of all of the programs that we are currently involved in to support technician recognition of our current technicians working in our dealers. It also has an attachment which provides a summary of all of the recognition programs. If this is your first time on the FMCDealer site, an excellent resource to review is the user guide. At the top right corner of the page, you can click the user guide link. When you click the user guide, it will actually provide you with a video for several different job functions and some of the most important features for each one of those job functions. Well, that wraps it up for this video. There really are so many great resources inside of FMCDealer. It may take some time for you to become familiar with it, but it's highly encouraged for you to get in there and begin to use all of the features and functions and take an exploratory approach towards learning.